What's up guys, it's your boy Slushy coming in with yet again another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can take your your Fortnite or any other game clips from your PlayStation's capture gallery to your iPad or your editing software. You want to go to capture gallery, then you would want to go to the video you want to upload. For example, this 22-second video is the one I want to upload. As you can see, this is the video, and then so you can just press on the share button, which is present on your PS4 controller. For if you want to upload it, you have to link your YouTube or Twitter account. So I linked my YouTube, so I'm going to click on YouTube. If you want, you can name the video or the clip you want to upload, but it's not necessary. So over here on the privacy setting, you want to keep unlisted, not public or private. Remember, unlisted. So you can do how many other videos you want to upload. So for example, I want to upload this one too. I'm going to press on the share button again, then click on YouTube, and then change it again to unlisted, not public, not private, unlisted, and then click on share. So this is all you have to do on your PlayStation. Next few steps are going to be on your iPad. So don't forget to download documents, which is present in your app store, present on your iPad or any other device. So you see documents is already downloaded, but before that, let's go into YouTube and then sign in to the account which has the videos you uploaded from your PS4. Then go to your videos, which is going to be the library section. And then, for example, the videos I uploaded them again with the name as Fortnite 1. I'm going to click on the three dots and click on share. And then, as you can see on the bottom, it pops up as copy link, and press on that. Then go to your documents. Okay, so once you go to your documents, sorry, I already did it earlier, but it didn't record, so let me show it to you again. Just go into your browser. When you go press on the browser setting, it's going to open up as a new tab. Then you want to type save from net on the top, and then it's usually the first link which comes in the search results. So click on that, and then just paste the one from the clipboard. Paste the link from the clipboard, and then a few seconds later on the bottom you can see the video has appeared. You can keep it as an MP4 720 or an MP3 720 or an MP4 340, I believe, or an MP3 340. So you want to click on download. Once you click on download, on the top right you would see that arrow which indicates that it's downloaded, and one. If you click on it, it shows that which one you downloaded. Then you'll go into my files. Again, please ignore this, I'm extremely sorry. Once you go into my files, it'll show up like this. So you'll go to downloads, click on downloads, and your video is going to be there. Click on the three dots. So once you click on the three dots, there's going to be an option of move, and then tap on move to photos. That's what you want to do. Move to photos, and there you go, it's moved there. If you want to see it, just tap on the show button, which pops up when you do so. And there you go, it's there in photos. And if you wanted to move to any editing software, you download it from the App Store. For example, I'm going to do it on iMovie, so I'll press on the plus sign, click on movie, and then now it's going to give me an option of what clip I want to pick. So I want to pick the one I just downloaded. I'm just going to tap on it, and there you go, it's creating the movie, and that's all you have to do. I tried to do it without documents, but for some reason it didn't work, like where you directly download it from the YouTube website on Safari. But yeah, like I said earlier, it didn't work. So I don't know why, but I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. See you in the next one. But before that, thank you for getting me to 186 subscribers. Please help me get to 200 subscribers by the end of the month. Thank you. Peace. Bye.